Hello everyone, welcome to Dermatology Online with me, Dr. Wagma. As you all know, you leave emails, comments, messages, and we read from them. So today we choose, let's see. Okay, I got Munazza, and Munazza is saying, hello Dr. Wagma, I'm super stressed as I'm getting married in 6 months' time, and I've noticed that I got pigmentation on my cheeks. What can I do about it, and please help me? Okay, so melasma it's a skin disorder. It's like a skin discoloration problem that causes brown or gray pigment, especially on your face, and it will affect the bridge of your nose, your cheek, your forehead, your upper lip, but it can also affect the other parts of your body that are exposed in sun, like your forearms, your neck, your shoulders. What causes melasma? Melasma, well, we being doctors, we really don't know what happens, but we believe that malfunction of melanocyte is involved in the process. What is melanocyte? These are color cells, that give color to your skin. So people who are darker, they tend to have more melanocyte than people who are lighter skin. And अगर आप देखो भी तो हमारे वाले हम लोगों में ये प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा कॉमन है, बिकॉज हमारा melanocyte का प्रोडक्शन बहुत है, like we little bit darker than lighter skin. But then people who are pregnant, they're also at high risk of getting melasma. Now there are potential triggers that triggers your melasma. जैसे कि risk factors है, like you see, if you're pregnant, there are hormonal changes and that will cause melasma, and we call it karuzma. There are hormonal changes अगर body में हो रही होती है तो उसकी वजह से भी होता है. It's also a trigger. अगर आपको you're on birth control pills, that's also another trigger. And अगर आपका sun exposure बहुत है तो that's a trigger also. There are some products in the market जो आप यूज करते हो and that irritate your skin और आपकी skin को पतला कर देते हैं, and then when you go into the sun, though that's again a melasma problem. So these were some of the causes and the potential triggers. Now, how do we diagnose it? ठीक है, you go to the doctor. They'll usually just examine it and they'll know it's melasma. अगर there's some skin disorder that also look like melasma की तरह. To get it 100% confirm if it's melasma, we also use wood light lamps to closely examine your skin. So okay, आपके symptoms क्या होंगे? I think the primary symptom यही होता है कि आपको एकदम से लगने लगता है कि आपकी skin में discoloration हो रही है. Either they're getting dark patches. This is the primary thing. Otherwise melasma doesn't causes no other physical symptom. But trust me, इसका जो ये primary symptom है, जब आपको pigmentation, you find these patches on your skin, that's the bothersome part. Okay, so अब treatment में चलते हैं कि आप क्या यूज कर सकते हो. आप ट्रीटमेंट में दे आर मेडिकेशन. हर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट का फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ चॉइस होएगा कि वो हाइड्रोक्यूनिन यूज करे. दे कम इन जेल, क्रीम एंड लोशन फॉर्म. वो उसको लाइटन कर देता है आपके पिगमेंटेशन को. बट अगेन you should get it prescribed from your doctor so they can teach you how to use it and how to even taper it down. You should not use it more than 3 months also. Then there are corticosteroids, there are tretinoin. They also come in the same form, cream, gel and lotion. And they also come in a combination, we call it triple cream. So इसमें ये तीनों होते हैं, hydro, tretinoin और corticosteroid. Again, I'll tell you something. You've done successful treatment for your melasma and you think it's gone, but trust me, it's not gone. And थोड़े देर के बाद वो वापस आ जाता है. तो I think melasma के लिए maintenance बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. So I've been through the same problem, and then it took me ages to get rid of melasma, but now I maintain it with this Cosmonan 2. I got it from USA. You can get it from there, not the Pakistani one, but you can get it. It's expensive, but it helps you maintain your melasma a lot. Then there are treatments also a little bit non-invasive. They're not really invasive, they're non-invasive. It's not like you have this successful treatment and no, it's gone your melasma, but it tends to come back again. So ऐसे रहता है कि आप melasma की treatment कर रहे होते हो and एकदम से सब कुछ सही हो जाता है, but कुछ अर्से बाद वो फिर वापस आ जाता है. तो आपको मेंटेनेंस ज़रूर करनी पड़ती है. It's not gonna go away forever. आप उसको मेंटेन लेके चलोगे. बिकॉज हम यही कर सकते हैं, हम सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. वी ट्राई टू सप्रेस द मेलानोसाइट, यू नो, एंड द मिनट यू लीव इट इट्स बैक. सो आपको मेंटेन ज़रूर करनी पड़ेगी. Now there are creams there are different medicines in the market. Mostly डॉक्टर की फर्स्ट लाइन चॉइस होती है hydroquinone, which really, you know, work, and it comes in cream, lotion and gel form, and it discolored the patch of the melasma, and that's it. But again, you know, you have to go to a dermatologist, so वो आपको उसका तरीका समझा देंगे, how to take it there and how to taper it down also. And you shouldn't use it more than 3 months. Now let's talk about the treatment. You can also look into minimal non-invasive treatments like microdermabrasion, chemical peels, dermapen, lasers. You should just get, I think the best treatment for melasma will be going to a combo. Like, don't get stick to one thing. You should go with different treatments and then just maintain it with the maintenance cream. I hope this helps. If you want to know anything else, please email, text and comment